Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx here in Berkeley, California. One of the questions we often get about ShinglEx 800 is how do you know it actually helps keep granules on the shingles? If you've watched some of our previous videos, you've probably seen a simple demonstration I performed myself where I compared treated and untreated shingles. That demonstration was useful because it helps visualize what the product is doing. But of course, a question that naturally follows is, has this been evaluated by an independent laboratory? The answer is yes. We recently submitted asphalt shingles and ShinglEx 800 to PRI Asphalt Technologies, an independent roofing laboratory in Florida, for testing. The lab applied ShinglEx 800 according to our recommended two-coat system and then evaluated both treated and untreated shingles using ASTM D4977, a standardized test used to measure granule adhesion. The results were very encouraging. The untreated shingles showed approximately 0.52 grams of granule loss, while the shingles treated with ShinglEx 800 showed just 0.06 grams of granule loss. In other words, the treated shingles experienced 88% less granule loss during testing. Now, it's important to understand what this means. This does not mean every roof will last a specific number of additional years. Real-world performance depends on many factors, including roof condition, weather, installation quality, and maintenance. What the testing does show is that ShinglEx 800 significantly improved granule retention on the shingles that were tested. And that's important because granules are one of the primary protective layers on an asphalt shingle. As shingles age and lose granules, they become more vulnerable to UV exposure and weathering. That's exactly why ShinglEx 800 was developed to help protect aging asphalt shingles and help reduce ongoing weathering before replacement becomes necessary. If you'd like to review the complete laboratory report, we've made it available on our website. Thanks for watching. See you next time.